Hello everyone, let us now discuss today's LeetCode period question. Here we need to derive the maximum matrix sum. LeetCode question number 1975. Maximum matrix sum. Here we are given with an n by n integer matrix and we can do an operation any number of times. The operation is choose any two adjacent elements of matrix and multiply each of them by -1. Here, two elements are considered as adjacent if and only if they share a border. So here in the example, so our goal is to maximize the summation of the matrix elements, and we need to return the maximum sum of the matrix elements using the operation here. So we are given with an example 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. This is the matrix. If you see, these two are sharing the same border and they are adjacent. If it will be transformed to matrix like this. And if you see, if you multiply this row with -1, we will be getting 1 1 1 1. This is the transformed matrix. So here our goal is to remove all negative elements. Imagine we are only having 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we are having -3. How we can get a maximum sum? We can easily say that if instead of -3 we are having -1 here, we will be getting maximum sum. So if you multiply this with -1, you will be getting -1, 2, 3. This is the transformed matrix. So to remove all negative elements, for example, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, minus minus. So in this case, if you multiply these two with -1, you will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that if there are the count of negatives, if it is even, we should not consider them as they can become zero. That means we can make them as positive. For example, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we have -4 and -8 here, consider this matrix. If you multiply these two by -1, it will become 1, 2, 3, -4, 5, 6, -7, 8, 9. If you consider these two, it will become by the operation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means if we have even number of negatives, we need not to consider the removing of elements. We can return some. But if we having odd number, if we having odd number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, minus minus minus, here we can make these two as positive, and by taking the operation we can do this. And if you consider these two, we can make -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by making the operation. That means if the negatives are odd, we need we need to consider removing the minimum element from the sum, and then return the sum. So Just initialize with long sum as 0 and minimum element as maximum of the maximum range of the interior, and we need to run a loop from I to I from 0 to m for rows and j from for columns to n. If matrix of I j is less than 0, we need to increase x. That means we need to initialize negatives is equal to 0 and sum plus is equal to, we need to consider the absolute. That means we are only considering the element, not the value. Absolute of matrix I j. And then if negatives are even, then return sum. If not, we need to return sum minus 2 into many. Thank you.